Gates open, they're up and racing. Benissimo draws for your lead. Running by the rail is the top favorite, Navratilova. Then comes Batcom, moving up, Delgaro, St. Mark, Preciosa. Then sneaking in down on the inside, May West. And Warstar is running at the tail of the field. About to pass the last 900. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Navratilova sneaking in down on the inside. Alongside is Benissimo. Then comes Delgaro moving up by the rail is May West together with Batcom, Preciosa, St. Mark, and trailing the group is Warstar. About to pass the last 600. Benissimo back to a length lead, rather half length lead. Moving up once again by the release. Navratilova closing in third, Delgaro. Then comes May West as they turn for home. We have Navratilova this time takes the lead over Benissimo in second. And on the outside third is Delgaro. Then comes May West, Batcom, Preciosa. With the last 150 more to run. Navratilova, Benissimo is on the outside, closing in is May West, Preciosa. With the last 50 meters more to run. Navratilova, Benissimo, and finally close between Benissimo, Navratilova, May West, Preciosa, and Warstar for your Pentapecta.